push the dough down and make a flat, even surface, I'm gonna wet my fingers with some water and then just squish it. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a no-bake mint and chocolate layered fudge that uses some of that delicious cashew butter that I showed you guys how to make just a few weeks ago. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start off by making our chocolate cookie layer. So in a food processor, I'm just going to add some dates, walnuts and almonds, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, a little bit of sea salt, and some coconut oil. And just mix it up. Here I have a springform pan with some parchment paper on the bottom, and I'm going to scoop our finished dough right on top of that. Now I'm going to wet my fingers with some water so I can push the dough down into the pan to make it a smooth, even layer. Now I'm going to put this into the freezer to set while I work on the next layer. Moving on to our fudge layer, we're going to be putting some dates. I'm using dates that I've soaked in some boiling water for 10 to 20 minutes, but you can also soak these overnight to get an even creamier texture. Cocoa powder, vanilla extract, chia seeds that you've soaked in some water so they can bloom, maple syrup, and coconut oil into the food processor and process until smooth and creamy. Now I'm going to scoop this fudge layer on top of our refrigerated cookie crust. I'm gonna try to smooth it out without getting it too stuck to the spatula. Now this is gonna go back in the freezer to set while I work on the final layer. Now onto our last layer, which is gonna be the mint layer. We're gonna start off by adding coconut cream, maple syrup, cashew butter, mint extract, vanilla extract, and more coconut oil. And mix it up. Now that we got it to a really smooth, fluffy, and creamy texture, we're gonna add it on top of our fudge layer. You can wiggle it around a bit to make sure that you get a really smooth layer. And when you're done, just put it in the freezer to set. Alright, and here is our finished result. This mint and chocolate layered fudge is such a delicious, no-bake treat that can be enjoyed by mint and chocolate lovers alike. And if you want to follow along with me, I'm going to be linking the exact measurements and ingredients that I use down in the description box below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like and subscribe, as well as ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of the delicious and guilt-free dessert recipes that I'm going to be posting once every single week. Bye-bye guys!